And I also want to demonstrate. Spirituality means to stand up for truth. It doesn't mean to passively lie down and allow yourself to become a victim and think that you're being pious and holy with all that. Piety and holiness means also to stand for the truth. And because truth is also strength and commitment. So when you commit to the truth, then you stand for the truth. It's up to your wisdom how and when to express it, but nevertheless, we stand for that which we believe in. Otherwise, we are people without principles. Without principles, one is weak and an easy knockover. So the value of mores and principles, spiritual principles, religious principles, logic, reason, is it gives you strength to your character. And in times of great stress, that's when you're going to need that character. When you need it, it's there because it's habitual, you know.